Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having a Windows installer package problem on your Windows 11 computer. This tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 devices as well. So if you're coming across an issue where you're unable to install programs and applications, this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. And you want to type in regedit, so regedit. Best result should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create the backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select file and then export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you need to import it back in, all you would do is select file and then import and then navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HKey classes root folder. Do the same thing now for the msi.package folder. You may just want to click on one of these random folders in here and just start typing it in. So msi, just stop after you type msi dot, and then because it's an uppercase P for package. So just type msi dot and then it should take you right to the folder. Again, this is while you're left clicking on one of the folders in this list here. It should take you to the shortcut just to get you right here. And now you want to double click on the MSI package folder. It should be a shell folder. Double click on that. And now you want to right click on the shell folder, select new, and then select key. Name this key run as, again RUNAS. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now on the right side you want to double click on the default value, the string value, and you want to name this value install space as, and then the and sign. So if you hold on the shift and the 7 key on your keyboard at the same time, you get that little and sign. So again, shift and 7 will get you this little character up here. And then type administrator, exactly how you see it on my screen here. So again, install as administrator with a little and sign before the administrator. Select OK. And once you've done that, you want to go now, right click on the run as folder. Now you're going to right click on the run as folder, select new, and then select key. You want to name this key command, so COMMAND, hit enter. And now on the right side, we want to right click on the default value and select modify. And now I'm going to have a value data in the description of the video here, guys. I want you guys to copy and paste, or you can type it in if you want. It's probably better to just copy and paste it in. It's msiexec space / lowercase I, quotation marks, %, 1, quotation sign. Select OK. And once you know what that, you can close out of here. And I would suggest you guys restart your system in order for this to take effect. So let's go ahead and close out of here and restart our device. So there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.